fellow people. New place. It's Chitwan from Pokhara. Not yet. With these roads, not yet. We'll make it in some time. Oh, very clumsy situation right now. It's raining. It's full of potholes. You can't go beyond second or first gear. See this guy. He's crash on someone. So anyway, after staying in Dungegar for some time now, we decided to head to Chitwan. So we had faced a lot of situations lately, like this road. Apart from that, we have to sort out the permit issue. So we have to go to India border and deal with it. And again, we decided to exit Nepal because we have to pay a lot of money for staying in Nepal, around 1,700 Nepali rupees, which is a lot for a day. So yeah, so right now our plan is to exit Nepal. Rosie said there is a village near Nepal and China, which typically belongs to no one, but it belongs to Nepal, but on papers you would have exited Nepal. So we just took permit for another 4 days. We spent some little money and we bought permit for another 4 days. So yeah, look at this guy, cocky. So now we are heading for Chitwan, which is a national park. We like to see some wild animals, and it's a new experience. We really enjoyed the stay in Pokhara and the lakeside and all. So I think we really needed a change. So right now we'll go to Chitwan, and after that we'll go to Kathmandu. Oh, very shitty roads. So after that we'll exit Nepal and we'll stay near China for some time till we get China visa and all, and while the documents getting cleared, we'll stay over there. I think everything is now falling on the ground because of the road. So after that we will enter China. So yeah, this is the situation. We'll meet you in Chitwan. Milo, there are some deers, a lot of deers just standing right by the road. Milo's curious about it. Milo, no, a lot of deers. They're running away. So, holy shit, look at this. A lot of deer waiting on the way.
So cute.
A lot of deer just crossing the way.
Actually, I'm taking a photo.
Yeah. This road is like literally a jungle. And very curious what's the other end. Wow. Saw a bunch of deer on the way. This is Chitwan, we just entered. Single track bridge, one person at a time. buffaloes barking at this statue. Shoo. Look at this beautiful place. This is Chitwan. They said you can see spot alligators and deers. Oh, you can see deers there. See?
Far away.
Yeah, far away, but still. Is that an alligator?
Alligator.
Your name?
Utsav.
Surendra. Two trained guides. Sorry, I'm Gokul, Rosi. Rosi.
Nice video. Gokul and her name I forget.
Rosi. Rosi. Yes. So two highly trained men take us into the jungle.
It's a Roshi. Is it a Chinese name?
No, it's English name.
What is your Chinese name?
Chen Ruojun.
Chen Rojin.
Chen Ruojun.
Roshi.
Difficult to pronounce.
Almost there near the lakeside. This is where it starts. I think I can already see an elephant standing over there.
Anyway, we try our best.
Okay.
There are some animals sometimes can be a bit dangerous, like rhinoceros, bears, elephant, tiger also. Few times normally tiger they are very gentle. If we elephant they are very few and normally they live deeper part of the jungle.
Okay.
Sometimes some single elephant they can hang around
Oh.
nearby here looking for domestic female.
Okay.
If we see the wild elephant silently, we have to make a distance.
Okay.
So we're not gonna go close by them.
Okay. Single elephant.
Yeah.
Last 40 kilometers to China's border. The way is super bad.
Nobody can hear you because extremely risky to even be here at this time. Just look at this. And it came from here. It won't take a long time to come and hit on top of our heads. So it's all your luck if you make it or not. Look at these roads. Look at the car which is coming. Oh, he stopped because only one can go at a time. Very treacherous roads. That side it's nothing and we can't even see anything. So the way to China border and the routes are extremely bad. Never seen a route like this. Very hard to drive. I don't know. is on the road we left with. I can't steer properly because the sand is pushing the wheels off and on. No roads. Literally no roads. You have to be extremely careful. See? Oh, holy shit. I really don't want to get stuck in this mud. Very bad. And it's very hard to hold it. Like just scraping on the bottom now. Like the scraping, it's not good for the engine. I don't know what is rubbing on the bottom, but it's very bad, very bad. Oh fuck. Vehicle is designed to handle all this, but somehow it's holding up. Just if you be a bit careless, it can break your arms. I got a bit injured here.
So it's the third checkpoint. Milo.
Group visa. License and race. 1 second. Go see group visa.
Oh,
But
usually we will need to provide our passports and the driver's license of Gokul. And sometimes they will also ask for the customs paper.
yeah.
It depends. So now we can move on again. Yeah. Let's go. Checkpoint. I think it's the 4th checkpoint on the way.
Give me the license and everything.
Yeah, I think they are checking for the same documents. After customs office and the immigration office, we finally come to the border.
The border of Nepal
and China.
Just this close to China. We are looking for a place to park for the next 20 days. we have to get visa. We have to, it's a group visa, so we have to go back to the capital of Nepal, which is Kathmandu. So this place we are planning to park because we exit Nepal. The reason is the permit and customs are so expensive. For one day we have to pay almost 1000 Indian rupees, and we think it's a lot. So we just exit Nepal and we park in between Nepal and China. There is a buffering place, so we park there to avoid the expense. Also,
the road starts to be tough again. So here is the port, Durham port of China, and a lot of people gathering. Now we have 2 rivers back.
they check the health. Can you check with the Chinese people? Oh, they are inside.
Yeah, they are inside.
Okay.
So what's our decision next
That's
for the
all.
next
We'll
step?
go back. We can't park here.
Okay, let's go.